There's the cube. First winter snowstorm redeeming itself after a poor showing in the Adirondacks. Union Turnpike, Queens, New York. The amount of snow is staggering. The buses are not in service. They are not running today. We have not seen a bus in 15 hours. The mayor has evacuated all low-lying areas. He thinks it's Irene, the return of Irene. It's a nasty storm. The thermometer on my phone says minus 16 degrees. You can hear people shoveling, but it's futile. He's got a lot to shovel, this poor gentleman, so we wish him well. Well, I'm going to hunker down in the safety of the cube. Signing off from Queens, New York. This is Mark Anthony.